Hello guys, today I will show you how to use Google Classroom. So first search for Chrome. Here is my Chrome browser and then tap on this icon Google Apps and now search for Classroom. Here is my Classroom. Left click on it. After that select this icon, tap on this icon and select the account which school has provided you. So first I will select this account and the all classes will displayed here. So tap on a class and now you can post something with your classmates and teachers, and by clicking here now you can add Google Drive files, link files, file, YouTube, any files. Up by clicking here you can view all your classworks. Here people, by type here to show to see people's. Here teachers will display it here and the students will display it here. And to join a new class, tap go back and tap on this icon, plus icon. Tap on it and enter the code, class code provided by your teacher, and click on this join icon to join your class. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.